everyone, Michael Kavardia here, and in today's video I'm going to be speaking about the best advertising system. Now I'm sure you might have heard of Facebook ads, Google ads, LinkedIn ads, Snapchat ads, TikTok ads, and every other platform that there is available to advertise your business. And the thought must have popped into your head, what is the best platform to use to get your business across to people that want to know about you, right? How do you market your business? What is the best platform to use? That's what I'm going to be speaking to you about today. What's the best advertising system that you can use in order to generate clients for your business and in order to be able to grow and scale your business wilder than your wildest imagination. So to begin, right, the reason I decided to make this video today is because during our sales calls and even in our course, right, Project X, we hear so many people asking us, are we going to be learning Facebook ads? Are we going to be learning about Google ads? Are we going to be learning about LinkedIn ads? And which one is going to work the best for us? So I decided to actually make this video and actually take away the confusion and give you the best system. So these questions are answered and you know how you can market your business the most effective way possible, and know that what you do at the platform that you use is going to be efficient and sustainable for you in the long run, bringing you long-term growth in your business. So before we actually get into what the most profitable advertising system is, or which one of the advertising platforms work the best, let's actually break down what is needed for an ad to run and what the consumers see and what most people work on, right? So the very first thing we get is the ad. Now, most people focus on the ad, right? That's what most people, your consumers, see as well. They either see that on Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, wherever it might actually be. That's what they click on if the ad speaks to them. Once they actually get the ad, right, and they click on it, they come through to the landing page, or we could call it the website, right? So you get the ad, someone sees it, if it speaks to them, they click on it. Once they click on it, they immediately move through to the landing page, right? Once they're on the landing page, depending on what the actual call to action is, be it download an ebook, download a free workout plan, book a consultation call, a complimentary session, whatever it might be. If the copy on the landing page speaks to them as well, then they go ahead and they take the call to action. So that's the call to action. And as I mentioned, that's downloading a free ebook, downloading a free workout plan, giving away something for free, opting in for a free case study, booking a complimentary session, or anything along those lines, right? Now we get the ad, the landing page, and the call to action. Or let me actually make this bigger. There we go. So we got the ad, the landing page, and the call to action. Now most people, most newbies, most rookies, right, focus on either one or two of these things, but they don't really nail all three. And that's why most people suck at marketing, because they don't understand the psychology behind this. They don't understand how the system works, the moving parts in the system, the ad, the landing page, and the call to action. And there needs to be congruency between each one of these parts, which means if I'm advertising something on my advert, the same thing needs to be spoken about on my landing page, and the very same thing is what people are opting in for at the end of the day, or the call to action is bringing light back to the ad, which brings light back to the landing page, and then people take action, right? That's why it's called a call to action. Because if the ad spoke to them, they go through to the landing page spoke to them, now they take that call to action and actually go ahead and book. Now, as I'm mentioning, most people don't even understand the dynamics of all three of these points, let alone speaking about an advertising system. So in order to be effective with your marketing, you have to understand the ad, right? What is it about the ad that actually makes someone click on it? We don't sell from an ad. These are things that I've already spoken about in one of my previous videos, which I will link in the description down below. But an ad never sells anything. An ad brings awareness to a problem that people are already battling with, okay? Then we get warm traffic, we get hot traffic, and we get cold traffic. Who are we marketing to would depend on what we actually say in that ad, right? Then we get the landing page or the website. Now this is where people come through after they click on that ad. Now the landing page of the website could have a video of you explaining something. It could have a video about your company speaking about a problem, bringing light to that problem as well, diving in it in more depth, giving proof of concept, which means you have worked with other people before, you have that social proof in order to be able to show that, and you know you are showing your prospects that are interested in you because of the ad that you know what you're talking about. Your company can help them get to where they want to go, because at the end of the day, a real business solves problems, right? So you're showing them that you have those problem solving skills and you have done it successfully in the past. And lastly, it's the call to action. So the call to action, if they are interested in what they read on the website or the landing page, then they're going to go ahead and either download your free ebook, they're going to book a call with you, book a complimentary session, or whatever it might be. Now here's the problem. Most fitness professionals, as I'm saying, don't understand the dynamics between these three, let alone the dynamics of understanding an advertising system, right? Now, while the ad, the landing page, and the call to action are just the forefront of what you see, again, this is what so many people focus on, but this is not the driving force of any successful campaign at all. Instead, this is just picture the roof of a home, right? Any home needs a solid foundation. Now, what do I mean by a foundation, right? Most people go into building a house by looking at the roof first and then the foundation later. And this is why most people suck and fail at advertising. But in order to be successful with advertising, we have to build the foundation first, and then we can focus on putting the roof on the home in order to complete the home, right? Now, this is the actual advertising system, in all honesty. So when we speak of a foundation, we have copywriting, right? So we got copywriting at the basis of this foundation, because without great copywriting, no matter what you actually do, you're not going to be able to convert those prospects into leads and then those leads into clients, right? Your ads have to speak to your clients. And then when we talk about clients, who exactly are we marketing to? So you need to have an understanding of your niche, right? Now again, we're putting specific copy out there, specific words that we say to people in a specific market. We're not talking to the entire market. We are speaking specifically to individuals in that market who are dealing with the problem that we solve. So for example, this video is specifically aimed at fitness professionals who are battling to gain clients because they don't know how to market their businesses, they don't know how to take their businesses online, and most importantly, they don't know how to thrive in the 21st century. But this video could be aimed at other people looking to build their businesses as well. I mean, if you were looking to gain more clients to your plumbing business, or if you were looking to get more clients to your construction business, this video could work for you as well. But instead of going broad, I'm actually being very specific with who it is I target, so that my copywriting and what I'm actually saying is directed to my intended audience at the end of the day. So the copy and the niche are very important in the foundation. And then lastly, for this entire system, we have the platform, right? So it doesn't actually matter at the end of the day what you actually use, be it Facebook, be it Google, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, whatever it is at the end of the day. In order to be successful, you have to intimately and intricately understand the platform. Because if you don't understand the platform, you don't understand the users on the platform and what their intention of being on that platform is, you're not going to be successful with your marketing, regardless of how well that platform has been known to perform with advertising, right? So what do I mean by this? Now you might be thinking, but I told you in the beginning of the video I'm going to be telling you what the best advertising system is. And I actually am. Because in my honest opinion, it doesn't matter whether you advertise on Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Snapchat, as I've mentioned to you. What is extremely important and the best advertising system in the world is you at the end of the day. Because if you can build this foundation, which is the core of the system to start with, right? Any single platform that you use can be successful and will be profitable and will enable you to grow your business. Now, sure, there might be some platforms that work better than others, right? There might be some platforms that give you a larger reach than others. There might be some platforms that are more in tuned to videos, or some platforms that are more attuned to just quick, short copy, and people click on it and then they get through to your landing page at the end of the day. But it doesn't actually matter which one you use. Having an understanding of the platform and what people on that platform actually come there for at the end of the day is what makes you successful. But you have to have the copywriting, so you need to know what to say to them, how to address their problem, and how to have them click on the ad. And that ad needs to be targeted to a specific niche. We never want to be broad, right? We want to be very specific with who it is we're targeting. So you could be a personal trainer working with clients. That's broad. But you could be a personal trainer working with skinny kids or skinny guys, right, that want to build muscle and get in great shape and build their confidence at the end of the day. And that's niche specific. At the end of the day, when you can be niche specific and you target your ads towards a specific niche with knowing the platform, in my opinion, that is the foundation that makes this entire system run. And therefore, you never have to worry about Google ads, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, which one are you actually going to use. You can use any one of them and be extremely successful. But it's your input, the user input at the end of the day, right? Which is you. How well do you understand the system? How well do you know how to copyright? How well do you understand the niche? Before we even get to the ad, before we even get to the landing page, and before we even get to the call to action. So you must focus on the basis, the foundation, in order to build up. Remember, at the end of the day, we never go ahead and build the roof to a house before we actually start with the foundation. Because if we took the foundation away, right, what is this roof going to stand on? Absolutely nothing. Thin air, and it's going to crumble, right, at the end of the day. But the moment we join the dots and put the foundation in, the entire system can flow efficiently and effectively and actually do its job in generating leads and prospects to your business. So go ahead and stop focusing on what or which platform you can use in order to get the most amount of clients, because every single platform works depending on your audience, depending on how well you understand your niche, and most importantly, depending on how well you understand that platform. Because once you understand those three crucial elements, you could be successful using any platform at the end of the day. Remember, it comes down to you, not the platform, but your amount of input that you can put into the platform to get it successful. So go ahead, like I said, in order to understand this even more in depth, in order to understand how to run an ad, how to create a landing page or a website, and how to get that call to action, there is a video which will be linked in the description below, which will show you, as I've already covered this in a previous video, how to structure a landing page, how to structure your ads, and how to structure a call to action even more. So click on that to learn about that. And if you'd like to learn how to build this entire system, the copywriting, how to choose the niche and how to dial in on that niche, how to be very specific with who it is you're targeting, be it cold, be it warm, be it hot traffic, you need to have different ads that run through to each one of these different types of traffic, right? And if you want to understand the system, then all you need to do is make a booking with us, me or my team today, and we will help you build your business, market it more effectively, and take it through to the moon. Because at the end of the day, none of these things make any difference without your input at the end of the day. So thanks for watching. Click on that like button and subscribe to my channel, because every single week I post tips and tricks and strategies in order to help you grow your fitness business. And I'll see you guys next week.